What if we told you that Maharashtra is on the verge of an industrial transformation? Welcome to Bidkin Industrial Area, the future of manufacturing in India. Spanning an impressive 7,855 acres, this flagship project under the National Industrial Corridor Development Program is set to transform Maharashtra into a global manufacturing powerhouse. Why Bidkin stands out: strategic connectivity. Bidkin is a logistics dream. Located just 20 kilometers from Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, it enjoys seamless access to National Highway 752E, Samruddhi Mahamarg Expressway, which is 35 kilometers away, Aurangabad Railway Station just 20 kilometers away, Aurangabad Airport 30 kilometers away, and Jalna Dryport, which is 65 kilometers away. With multimodal connectivity, Bidkin is perfectly aligned with the PM Gati Shakti vision, ensuring smooth movement of goods and boosting industrial efficiency. Phased development and mega investments. The government of India has allocated a massive 6,414 crore rupees for this project, to be developed in 3 phases. Phase A, covering 2,511 acres, has already received an investment of 2,427 crore rupees. This initiative is spearheaded by Maharashtra Industrial Township Limited, a joint venture of MIDC and NICDIT, ensuring world-class governance and strategic execution. C. State-of-the-art infrastructure. Bidkin is ready for business, equipped with wide roads, reliable water and power supply, advanced sewage and effluent treatment plants, and smart industrial and mixed-use zones. The groundwork is complete and industries are already moving in. A magnet for major investments. Leading industries are setting up in Bidkin, including Ather Energy with 100 acres, Lubrizol with 120 acres, Toyota Kirloskar with a Memorandum of Understanding for 850 acres, and JSW Green Mobility with 500 acres. These investments alone total rupees 56,200 crore, with the potential to create over 30,000 jobs. In just 3 years, 1,822 acres across 38 plots have already been allotted, accelerating the industrial boom in Marathwada. Empowering people and progress. Bidkin isn't just about industries, it's about people. By attracting skilled talent, fostering economic growth and generating employment, this project is transforming lives and boosting local communities. A bold step towards a global manufacturing hub. Dedicated to the nation as a symbol of industrial excellence, Bidkin perfectly aligns with the government's Make in India, Make for the World vision. It's not just an industrial area, it's a transformation in progress. The future is here, the future is Bidkin. Join the industrial transformation today.